Yes. Okay, now what's the other and last sense organ? Skin. Yes, K-I-N. Everybody having skin? Yes? Yes. Our full body is covered with the skin. This is called a skin. Whole body. Inside we are having the flesh, bone, nerves, blood vessels and everything is there. It's covered with the skin. So skin is the another sense organ. It's another important sense organ. Skin. Where is the skin here? And outside only it is, right? So here in this and the outside is there covered with the skin. This is the skin. Yes. So skin is another important sense organ. Skin gives us the sense of touch. If anybody come and touch, you know, isn't it? When you pinch, you know that one the feel of pain. So when it is so cold, oh, it's so cold, you're telling. When it is pour some many hot water or milk or something, it's very hot, you're telling. Which one helps us to feel? Skin only. So it feels cold and which one is help to feel that one? Skin. The next one we can feel it cold and hot. Cold and hot. Okay. Skin is outer covering of our body. Outer covering of our body. Skin protects our body from cold and heat. When thick skin we are telling, right? Because when somebody is not wearing sweater or something, see the thick skin. We are feeling very cold, but that boy is not wearing, that girl is not wearing, like, you know. So that is when the skin protects our body from cold and heat. Then what is that? How we can care for our skin? Do not play in sun, especially in summertime. Summertime it's too hot. You go and play, means your skin will be turned into black. So you feel the heat. You feel the heat when you are playing in the hot sun. Always go outside wearing proper clothes. When you are going outside, we have to be wearing proper clothes to protect our skin. How to protect our skin? How to protect our skin? Proper, first one is proper clothes. P-R-O-P-E-R. Proper clothes. C-L-O-T-H-E-S. Then we should not play in a summertime. Summertime you should not go outside in a sun, especially in summer. Do not play in summer. Do not play in summer. S-U-M-M-E-R. Okay, 2 points. Where the skin help us to protect from cold and heat. And in summertime we do not play in summer outside. When you're going outside, we have to wear the proper clothes. And then next one, do not rub your skin with sharp objects. Somebody is having now, if anything is there, they'll scratch like this. They'll take the comb and take the knife or something sharp objects. You should not use to rub your skin when you feel some irritating sense. Okay, sharp objects such as knife, blade. In compass also is there, no? They try to scratch like that. They feel like touching, feel like, in this is the compass. You should not do like this. Knife and blade and all you should not do with the objects. Okay, do not rub your skin with the sharp objects such as knife, blade, compass, etc. Clean your body properly after taking bath with a clean towel. Why you want to take bath? To clean our skin. So the skin only cover our body. So we have to take bath, and after taking bath we have to use the clean cloth to wipe our body. In the case of any cut, tell your parents. Suppose if you are having playing or any something you fell somewhere, you fell down. If anybody without knowing you may have had hurt, so it's bleeding or something. When you have a wound, you should inform your parents. Then oil your skin regularly. To protect our skin, what you are doing? Oil our skin. Nowadays so many creams are there. So oil proper. With the help of the doctor's guidance only we have to use the sunscreen. The sunscreen cream. This and all is there, that one. So you oil your simply after taking bath, wipe it and apply the oil. You can protect your skin. So we have to be so many sense organs. See, after the skin we did no all the sense organs. What are the sense organs here? Eye, ear, nose, tongue, and skin. This is the our sense organs. We know that one. What are the sense organs? What it helps and how we have to protect. We see all this one in the sense organs lessons. Okay, children. See you in the next class. God bless you.